I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'll talk about the basic skincare steps that are going to change your skin gradually but effectively. These are the core steps, so these are really important. Moisturizer has been a game changer in my skincare routine. It hydrates and nourishes my skin and also supports skin barrier, and I have been using this moisturizer.
This is 1% Natural Biome Boost Moisturizer from Nature Derma with cica and squalane. It contains Natural Biome Boost Solution, which works on the skin surface to preserve a vital microbiome barrier. It has very beautiful texture, doesn't feel sticky or greasy.
It also has other good ingredients like cica, squalane. Cica soothes the skin, squalane is there to nourish the skin. This actually supports the skin barrier and makes it strong each time you use it. This is a fragrance-free formulation and you can use this day and night. It can work for all skin types and especially for dry, sensitive, irritated skin.
After cleansing your skin, you can apply this moisturizer on slightly damp skin and massage till it gets fully absorbed, but do not press hard or do not rub too harshly. Use sunscreen during the day while using this product, and I love how nourishing it feels, but it doesn't feel greasy at all. It helps with skin dryness and other signs of irritation. It also helps to rebuild skin's natural barrier to better lock in moisture and improves the stress tolerance of the skin and strengthens the skin barrier.
There are moisturizers that make skin feel dull, but this doesn't do that, which I really like. It also works on uneven skin texture. If you have discoloration, this is gonna work for you, and I really like this one. I do recommend this. At number 2, I have sunscreen. Sunscreen is a very useful tool that can save your skin from harmful UV rays. Try to use sunscreen every day, and there are chemical filters, mineral filters, hybrid filters. Choose whichever that works for you. There is a sunscreen for everyone. There are people who ask me, see, I use sunscreen but that is irritating my skin, or Shamapti, I get skin irritation from sunscreen. Maybe you're using wrong filters, you are allergic to certain filters, so try to experiment with filters and see whichever filter works for you. Then there are different kind of textures. Now we have anhydrous formulation that can work very good at water resistance. If you are out there, if you sweat a lot, then that kind of formula would work for you. If you want some kind of coverage or you want the glow, the evenness from the sunscreen, try tinted sunscreen. And if you want light formulations, then you have serum sunscreens or very lightweight gel moisturizer texture kind of a sunscreen. Number 3 is to follow 60-second skincare rule, which is to wash your skin for 60 seconds. There are times I just used to use the cleanser for like 10 seconds or 5 seconds. That didn't give the cleanser enough time to work on my skin, so take your time, 30 seconds to 60 seconds, whichever works for you. Massage it properly. Number 4 is to use face mask once in a week, and I thought face mask is not necessary, but I have been using Uptans face packs every week, and it has changed my skin for better. So I really recommend like face mask for you. There are different type of face mask. If you have clogged pores, if you want clear skin, try those, clay based mask. And if you have dull skin and if you want nourishment, try those emollient based face masks. The last thing is to don't forget your neck. I have done this mistake. I only use skincare on my face, but I forgot the neck. Also our hands, take care of your hands, whichever, like the moisturizer, remaining moisturizer or left out serum you have, try to pat it on your hand. When you would be washing your hands with soap or hand wash, make sure you are getting rid of all the soap or hand wash, because sometimes we can wash the hands so fast that it can have the residue of soap or surfactants that can dry out your skin, that can make your skin irritated. So do not do that. So yeah, that's all I have for this video, and thank you so much for being there. I really hope you found this to be helpful, and I want to see you very soon then. Bye bye.